Hello teacher, correct. My name is Adrian. I am a boy. I am 8 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I do my homework. I live in Ramazan. I study adolescent in Ramazan. My family have 4 people. My dad, my mom, my dad, and me. This is rubber Maya. This is crayon. That crayon. This is my jack pen. This is my jack pencil case. This is my jack pencil. This is my book. Goodbye, teacher.